how to clear transaction history on Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can basically clear the transaction history on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to basically clear transaction history on Cash App, all you have to do is, let's say you have a certain transaction and then you would like to delete those history. Well, unfortunately you can't delete those transaction history, and the reason is actually quite simple. This is just to prevent fraud for your own good and for your own security, because what happens is that no payment applications, not only Cash App, any other banking or payment application, will not allow you to delete your transaction history, because the transaction history always needs to be there to prevent scam. Because someone might receive money from you on Cash App, but they delete the transaction and then they might say that they didn't receive the money. That is why the transaction history always needs to exist, so that the evidences between the two parties are always findable. So this way you should be able to understand it. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.